Alright, so as you can see, we're under the sink now. So basically, we want to cut this kind of half white. I'm going to clean up here, here. And then we're going to use sharp white, as you can see. Then we're going to be able to hook up the ice maker. So for that, we're going to use this tool. And then to clean, we're going to use this. And then if it doesn't look good inside, if there is some sharpness, edges, or something like that, we're going to use this tool. So, and I have the hole already, as you can see, there, to run the water line. Alright, so as you can see, we have the water hose. We're going to hook it up there, and then we're going to run the hose through here. And then we're going to hook up that in here in this place that you see here. Okay, here as you can see, we are cutting the copper pipe. It's very easy. All you have to do is use one of those cutters, and that's it, that I just showed you before. So here we have to clean it, otherwise if there is any gap, leak, or I mean if there is any gap or scratches, it's going to leak. So basically now we have to put the adapter that I just showed you. I'm going to do the same thing over there, just clean it with the wick that you just see, and that's it. So now all I have to do is grab a pliers, so that way the pipe will stay in place, push it all the way in, and that's it. So as you can see, we're good. All I have to do now is I have to adjust the water line, and that's it. Okay, as you can see, we have the shut-off valve here. Very easy. We plug this up to the water hose. We put this in the middle, like you see here, and it works great. So I have the water hose going there. We have to adjust that. We should get. Okay, all you need now is a couple of adjustable wrench. Just adjust one, adjust the other one, and make sure that is tight. We should be good. Alright, always before you start, make sure that you close the main valve. So in this case, you have to open this up because I closed it before I was doing anything. Otherwise, you're going to have a big mess everywhere. So now we're going to turn this off. We have to go to the rest bathroom, the other areas where they may have the water running. Okay, here is all good. Here. Do that stuff. There we go. Now we'll go back to the. Alright, as you can see, everything works. Here, we don't have any leaks down there, as you can see. So all is good. And we got the water hose is connected to that place. That's it. So everything is good. Alright, as you can see, everything works. We have the light. You can start the microwave anytime. Here, we have no leaks. As you can see, that is the new connection. So now the shut-off valve is that one that you see over there. It's on. So this is for the faucet. And you have the hole that I made for the water line. And everything goes here. Everything is hooked up. There is no leaks either. So everything should be good. So all you have to do is just activate the icemaker if you want to make it work. And that's it.